What's up guys, Techder with another video. In the video of today I'm going to unbox the Xtreme 2. So I didn't have the Xtreme 1 before, but I was very interested in this one because it's just improved. I also talked with other guy about is it really better than the old one. He says yes, so I decided to take it. So the box I like, especially when you open it. So here you have some writing on it, and also on the back 50 hours playtime, so still the same as the previous model. And now it's waterproof. The old one was only splash proof. But one downside maybe with this model is you don't have two USB charging ports anymore. But you still can charge of course one device. So it has the charge out, JBL Connect Plus, so no normal JBL Connect. So you will not be able to connect the old one with this. I have seen a reply on it. So maybe with an update later, but for now not. So let's take a look inside. Alright, it's pretty huge, I find. So I will take out the phone, take out the speaker. Oh wow, it's very heavy. You know what, I will put the box away. I will take the stuff out, what's important. So here's some stuff inside in here. I'll take the phone away too. So let's see what's inside here. I think or the charger or something else. Something I don't like on JBL is with the packaging. Also with my Flip 4, it all has been packed that it will not be packable again somehow. I don't like that so much. So this is the band for on your speaker, and here you of course have the charger and the manual and all that kind of stuff. Okay, they have included different kinds of cables. So if you like to use it in other places than Europe, you can, but I will use the Europe cable. So here is the charger, so it will probably be here. Alright, that looks very cool. I didn't have an Xtreme before, so it's kind of new stuff for me. So with the Flip 4 or the charge, with the Flip 4 you only get a USB cable. With the charge you at least get also an adapter for charging. So this is pretty neat to have a full charger of course. And of course a manual. So this is all you get included in a box of course. So with the charger, two different kinds of cables for it. So I believe this is one for UK or yeah UK, and the Euro cable, and of course the band, and yeah the manual. So I will take a look more on the speaker a few minutes later. I will take the speaker out of its package. So let's line it out. Alright, it's really big. Let's put this all on the side. Yeah, it is heavy, but still manageable to keep it in your hands. Alright, the battery radiators kind of look strange. Maybe it's like this, but there's some kind of plastic material on it. Of course, you have the hooks for the binding. All the same buttons as other previous speakers actually, so no real big difference. But the real difference is of course at the back with the ports. Now it's of course waterproof, so it's already very hard to get it open. But you only have one charge out port. This is for software updates of course. No charging. Yeah, with micro USB will be very slow also. Here's the charging and also aux cable still possible. So I will set it up, charge a bit, and I will come later. So the sound is great, but of course with many speakers you have to be more in the back of the speaker to really hear the bass. And that isn't really that speakers all have to do that, but it is a portable speaker, so you really have to do it. So if you are more in the back of your room, for example, or you are in a bigger room, you really hear the bass producing. But here it's just, I have to go very back in my room to hear it, so you maybe also not hear some kind of bass level on the microphone. But overall I think it's very nice sound. I will let you guys also see the low frequency mode for few seconds, only to let you guys see how it sounds then. I already can say I only doing this for some purpose, but yeah, don't use it yourself because it really can break your speaker. There are many guys that also told me to, they have broke the speaker because some guy on YouTube, Aswin, told them to use it. It is fine to use, so it isn't. I only use it for some kind of time, and then I will leave it so the speakers can rest again. But yeah, be warned, it can be damaging your speaker. So let's do that. Of course you have to hold those two buttons, so let's do that. It's actually the same as all the other speakers, only this one is bigger. Of course it will take some time. So now it's on the low frequency mode, so let's take a look how it sounds then.
More movement.
So maybe you can see on the video, maybe not. I will make a better video about sound test and all that kind of stuff with a higher frame rate, so you guys can see this, maybe move a little bit more with low frequency. But this is just a small test to see how it performs with low frequency mode and a normal. So I just warn you guys, don't use the low frequency mode. It will break your speaker if you are very bad in luck, so don't do it. So for now, this is the first impressions. I will make more videos about it, of course, like many other YouTubers. Of course I will also test out the waterproofness, especially because they're advertising it. So I will do this later this week, probably. And I will also upload another video about other two speakers. And those speakers I already have some time, but that will be a very different video, especially focused on smart speakers. So for now, thank you guys for watching to this video about the Xtreme 2, and let's make some views. Bye!
Nice